In our Health Watch report, lymphatic systems help clear the body of extra fluids and infection. But when they don't work properly, deadly excess fluid is retained in the body. Doctors at one children's hospital were able to save a boy's life by testing various medications using tiny fish. Local 3's Shelley Botat has more.
Doctors at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia used Zebrafish and a cancer drug to save the life of a boy dying from an overactive lymphatic system. 10-year-old Daniel was a healthy, active boy when his body began to swell. A massive overgrowth of his lymphatic system was overwhelming his major organs.
He had such an overgrowth of the vessels, lymphatic vessels, that he was leaking fluid into the pericardium, which is the membrane around the heart.
His lungs suffered too, severely diminishing his oxygen.
His lung capacity was shrinking and shrinking and shrinking, was down to 23%, which is, barely compatible with life.
Doctors discovered the genetic culprit with a blood test and a simple DNA cheek swab. The gene was out of control, meaning Daniel's lymph system was always in the on position. Very similar to cancer cells growing out of control. So doctors began to test anti-cancer meds on tiny translucent zebrafish.
The fish developed from the cell to a normal animal in 5 days.
We put this cancer medication into the fish, so you can't give the fish a pill or an injection. You just put it into the water.
One melanoma drug called tramtinib stopped the mutation in its tracks. Doctors then gave the drug to Daniel.
His lymphatic system essentially normalized. The child basically came off oxygen, started walking, started running, started biking, and he is essentially with normal daily activities.
A tiny fish and a very smart team of scientists making a big impact. Scientists have long used lab rodents or other mammals to help understand human diseases, but 70% of human genes are also found in the zebrafish, making them a good animal for study. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 3 News.